My name's Gerard.
Dude, Groovy Gerard, what is your question, dude?
What's your favorite dinner food?
Dude, it would have to be this stuff right down here, dude. The green seagrass and the green sea kelp. In fact, Gerard, dude, I eat so much of it that it gets into my body and turns me and my shell this most righteous shade of green. Well, what about you, dude? Like, what do you like to eat?
I like a good turtle soup.
Ryan, is Gerard still there?
Technically, yes.
Yeah, okay, hey, Gerard, if you promise not to eat turtle soup, I totally will come back out, dude.
I promise I won't eat you.
Okay, that's not what I said, dude. I need those exact words.
I won't eat any turtle soup.
Okay, dude, okay. You had me worried there, dude. Dude, I gotta introduce you to my friends, Bruce, Chum, and Anchor, dude. They got this 12-step program of fish are friends, not food. Turtles to the addendum, dude. Well, dude, it was, kind of scary talking with you. You sound terribly wrong. Dude! Let's keep.
So we have been having therapy sessions, and I don't know if they're working because George is having a breakdown right now. It's okay. I love you, okay? I know you miss your mommy. I think that's what it is, because he had a mommy for 5 years and she got sick, and oh, okay. And yeah, it's okay, George. It's okay to be sad. You don't have to be angry, okay? Because I'm going to whoop your ass. Go on, come on, we going to fight today. I got time today.
Before I took his phone, after I took his phone,
Ayo. Enggak. No. Baby, no. No.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.